Hey guys, here's the new firmware that just came out recently for the Dji Mavic 3 series. This firmware is version V01 We're going to have added vision assist, which I'm guessing is probably the home point like we have on the Avada, where you can actually see your home point. I think they display that with an H. Added AR home point, AR return to home route, and AR aircraft shadow. And I have seen some other videos there. The shadow will be a small aircraft there as you're landing, which is kind of cool to know exactly where the positioning will be for your drone when it comes down. Added vision positioning and obstacle sensing switch. And I have seen a few people demonstrate that, where we're actually going to be able to see through the sensors of what is behind you or in front of you, which is going to be cool. And we're going to test that out today. And they fixed some minor bugs. The DJRC is also getting an update here, and it's version 01.03.05.00. And it just states that they fixed some minor bugs. Hi guys, today we're out with the Mavic 3, and we're going to check out these new firmware updates. Let's do a takeoff.
Takeoff.
Okay guys, this is one of the updates. If you notice in the bottom left hand corner there, it's showing a black and white, which is the sensors. I'm gonna just slide to the left. Okay, we have the home point, so I'm gonna slide to the right. Okay, now we're gonna slide to the right again. Slide to the right again, slide to the right again. Okay, so after you slide to the right, it's showing the view from the sensor, from the front sensors. Now I noticed there's arrows on the top and the bottom and on the right and the left. So if we press on the right arrow, okay, that's given us a back view of the sensor, I think to the left of the drone that pointing towards us. Now we'll press the arrow on the left hand side, and this is showing the left hand side. You see a tractor going by there. Okay, if we press the bottom arrow looks like it may be showing directly to the back of the drone. And if we press the front arrow is the front. So with this window here, it looks like you can, through the sensors on the front of your Mavic 3, you can see through those sensors to the left or the right. And when you press on the down arrow is going to give you a view of the back of the drone. And then if you press to the right or the left, you're going to get the sensors showing the back propellers in that direction or the right hand side. That's pretty cool. Now, another feature that this is supposed to have is the home point. So we're going to back her up and let's see if we can see the home point. Let's back her up. And let's go up higher. And sure enough, guys, there it is. There's the home point. There is the home point. I think that's kind of cool. You know, I love it. I love it on the DJI FPV and the Avata. And I'm hoping that maybe this will trickle down to the Mini 3 Pro and even the Mini 4 Pro, which is not even released yet. Anyways, let's, we want to fly out a little bit and we want to check out the return to home. Okay, we're at 25 meters. Okay, we're going to 36 meters. Okay, we're going to fly out a little bit. Well, I'm not sure how much I'll use these new features, but I do like them. I definitely like the improvement. It's definitely an upgrade to the Mavic 3 series. Okay, guys, we'll go just a little bit further. Okay, now we're going to do a return to home.
Return to home.
Okay. Oh, and that is cool. Look at that, guys. Look at the, it is showing that green path. That green path all the way back home. That is so cool. I really like that. You know, this past summer there, I was flying over some trees in Collingwood. And, you know, when you get out over the trees, we took off, it was hard to see from the air. So, you know, something like this would have been very, very cool, you know, to see the direction of where we took off. Okay. Now, I don't think it's over the right spot. Okay, so we're going to lower this. Now, what I want to see here is I'm hoping that it casts a shadow. Okay, it is showing the shadow on the screen. Let's move her over just a touch more because we want to make sure we're going to land on the table. And this is cool too, guys, because you know there's a lot of times there it's really hard to judge. It's really hard to judge, you know, where you're actually going to land. So let's see if she'll land on that spot, or let's see. Oh, there she goes. Hey guys, yeah, she landed. She landed on that spot. That is so cool having that. That is really neat. Anyways, guys, I appreciate the watch, and I hope you like these new features of the Mavic 3 series. I love it. I love this little addition. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.